Similar to D2L's Dropbox, Canvas assignments allow students to upload work. To set up these assignments, click on Assignments in the left-hand bar, click on the Add Assignment button, and enter a name for the assignment, in this case, Week Number 1, Upload. Provide assignment details in the text box. Scroll down and set the number of points. We will set this assignment to be worth 50 points. Assign the assignment to the proper group and set the grade to display as points. Set the submission type to allow either text entry or file upload. Set the submission attempts to allow unlimited attempts. Scroll to the bottom, click Save and Publish to make the assignment visible to students. Repeat for all remaining weeks. Once all assignments are complete, they show up in the assignment area.